This is why you should always check under the bed before you go to sleep. It was supposed to be an ordinary night. A babysitter was looking after two children in a house in Kansas, United States. The kids were getting ready for bed. She tucked them in, told them a few stories, and they got ready to sleep. But then one of the children spoke up. There's a monster under my bed. Now, if you babysat for someone or looked after your younger siblings, you know that this is quite normal. They get scared of a pile of clothes, or maybe someone is in the closet, someone is under the bed. It's quite common. The babysitter didn't think much about it. She told the kid that she would look under the bed for him. And that's exactly what she did. She smiled and knelt down to prove to him that there was no one there. She got down on her knees, bent, and looked under the bed. And that's when she saw him. A man curled up under the bed. This was not her imagination, this was not a joke. There was a stranger under the bed. And this man's name was Martin. Martin wasn't some random intruder who picked a house and decided to get inside. He used to live in that house and he was so attached to it that he couldn't let go. In fact, there was even a restraining order against him so that he wouldn't get into the house. But somehow he found a way to do it. And so he waited, snuck into the house, and got under the bed. The babysitter, who was now shocked, tried to run, but Martin caught hold of her and they were in a fight, during which one of the kids got thrown to the floor. Fortunately, nothing happened to the kids and Martin escaped. Terrified about what had just happened, the babysitter immediately called 911 and the police were dispatched. A whole manhunt started and Martin was found the very next day, and he was found just near the house. Maybe he was trying to sneak in again, no one knows, but he was found just near the house. Martin was arrested, and even though he was questioned for hours, no one knows what his plan was for that night. Was he planning to do something? Was he planning to kidnap the kids? Was he planning to rob the house? No one knows. Martin hasn't spoken yet.